Hey guys, recently somebody asked me कि private labeling के लिए मुझे manufacturer होना पड़ेगा, right? And I know a lot of us think that way. And to be honest, जब मैं इस industry में before I got into this industry, मेरे दिमाग में भी यही था कि मुझे अगर private label की बात करें तो I was thinking कि मुझे manufacturer होना पड़ेगा या फिर I wasn't clear कि private label होता क्या है. So if you have the same question, I'm going to answer this question and hopefully clear that confusion. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Anjali and this is the #1 place to be for entrepreneurs and business owners. And good news, there is a Facebook group which I've recently created जिस पर अगर आपकी कोई भी questions हैं Amazon से related या फिर आप e-commerce कर रहे हैं उससे related, then you can post those questions or ask us and someone from the group will answer and help you. And this group is absolutely free to join. So this is the good thing. So the question is, what is private labeling? So private labeling जो है वो बहुत ही हम recently everybody started using it. It's really simple. It's like if I'm creating something as a manufacturer, if I'm creating something और मैं उस पे अपना खुद का trademark या logo या फिर उसकी unique packaging जो कि सिर्फ मैं ही करती हूँ, अगर मैंने उस product पे डाल दी है, then that is my private label. Now, in your case, maybe you are not manufacturing those products. That is absolutely fine. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप manufacturer से उसको product को import कर सकते हैं या फिर you can acquire those products. उसके बाद में आप उसके खुद की आप उस पे packaging डाल सकते हैं. That is also a private labeling. Maybe you can ask that manufacturer in sitting in China or maybe India, जहाँ पे भी है वो आपका manufacturer, to put your logo on the product. And that is private labeling. And I know a lot of us thought कि private labeling वही लोग कर सकते हैं जो manufacturer कर रहे हैं. That is absolutely wrong. Private labeling आप घर के बने हुए product पर भी डाल सकते हैं. That's it. It's anything you could put on a product which signifies you कि वो आपका product है. Doesn't matter कि आपने खुद ने बनाया, maybe आपने source किया है, whatsoever. And that is called private labeling. Now you might be wondering कि private label क्यों करेगा कोई? Let me tell you, private labeling करने से क्या होता है कि आप एक middleman को आप हटा रहे हैं basically. You're sourcing product either from manufacturer or maybe supplier और उसके बाद में आप sell कर रहे हैं under your brand. So in that case you have higher margin. Let me give you some examples. अगर आप जाएंगे विशाल मेगा मार्ट में जाइए for example, then you would see some of the products are actually Vishal Mega Mart's brand. Not necessarily Vishal Mega Mart की खुद की manufacturing firm है, नहीं. They are basically sourcing from other manufacturers or maybe suppliers और उनसे वो just ये बोल रहे हैं कि put my logo on it और maybe मेरा tag लगा दो उस पे जिस पे लिखा होगा विशाल मेगा मार्ट. And that is private labeling. See, in विशाल मेगा मार्ट्स के example में अगर बताऊँ आपको कि अगर वो Nike के product को sell कर रहा है, Obviously, Nike owns that brand, so विशाल मेगा मार्ट को इतने ज़्यादा profit margin नहीं होते. On the other hand, अगर विशाल मेगा मार्ट same t-shirt को same जो भी item है जो Nike sell कर रहा है उसको import करके वो अपना उस पर tag लगा दे, now their margins are bigger. And so that's why बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो private labeling कर रहे हैं, especially big retailers, they do that as well. Now, what you need to worry about when it comes to private labeling is do not infringe somebody's trademark. Sometimes we think कि हमारा जो product का name है वो बहुत unique है, लेकिन वो जो name है वो किसी और ने trademark करा हुआ हो सकता है, It doesn't matter कि वो इंडिया में trademark कराया हो सकता है कि वो US में trademark कराया हो. So in that case, you need to be really pay attention कि किस तरह की आप उस पे लोगो और ब्रांडिंग कराएंगे, because in that case you might get in trouble अगर वो सेम नेम और लोगो जो है वो किसी और का ट्रेडमार्क है. because once आपके प्रोडक्ट पे जो ट्रेडमार्क और जो भी ब्रांडिंग आप कर देते हैं, that product if it is in dispute, अगर somebody says कि this is you infringing their trademark or something, in that case आप उस प्रोडक्ट को सेल नहीं कर सकते. So that is the bad part about private labeling, not to get in legal issues. So that's why I would suggest कि trademark आप पहले कराइए before you do any private labeling. If you get into these type of issues, then you could waste lakhs of rupees. So if you have any doubt about trademark, then I have a video on this topic. So check out my channel for this type of any question you have on the trademark. And I hope कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि private labeling क्या होती है. Again, it's in simple term, it's just putting your trademark, your logo, your brand name on the packaging, on the product itself, and just making your own. Basically, that's what it is. So otherwise it would be generic product. अगर उस पे कोई भी नाम नहीं है, that means it's a generic product. For example, sugar. If it says sugar, that's a generic product. But if you say Vishal's sugar, then it's Vishal's trademark or it's Vishal's branding. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I make a lot of videos and you're gonna enjoy all of those videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe right now क्योंकि मैं हर हफ्ते एक नई वीडियो को लेकर आती हूँ. Also, एक चीज़ और मैं बताना चाहती हूँ आपको. You have a chance to win a grand prize of 5 lakhs rupees. उसकी डिटेल मेरी About tab में जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. And why I'm doing that? Because my goal is to make you an ultimate selling machine. Till then, take care. Bye.